G'day guys, it's another day. I'm heading to Mikel right now and I'm trying to, oh fuck, it's gonna take me like 1:11, fuck, shit. Pretty hot, 37 degrees today. I'm heading to Mikel. I'm picking up some studio gears and yeah, trying out the Osmo Pocket again, because why not? Yeah, it's kind of warm, really warm today, but it should be fine. Yeah, let's see how this day goes. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing to say. Car temperature's gone around 34 degrees and we're maxing out at around 35 for today. So, yeah, and 37. That's wrong. Car temps is around 34 degrees and we're maxing out at around 35? 37. Fuck! Okay, this is the last take. Temperature on the car is around 34 degrees. Been repeating this for a while because I get distracted. But yeah, temperature in the car is 34 degrees, but we're going maximum 37 today. So yeah, good luck on us. There's a slow trailer in front of me. I should be following here, and I should be vlogging. Yeah. So far, this camera is amazing. Like, yeah, it's really amazing. So good. Love it. It's focusing is so good, and everything else is so good. This camera. Yeah. Distracted. As amazing as it is, this camera here, I just hate the GoPro look of this camera. It has that GoPro action cam look, but other than that, this camera is great, very good. I'm even using the onboard audio, so I don't know how it sounds. I don't know if my voice. I don't know if this video is trash, but we'll see how this goes, man. I don't know anything about the dynamic range of this camera. I'm trying to focus on myself, and outside it's so bright outside, as you can see in the window here. Let's see how the dynamic range works. Yep. What the heck? I don't know what it said, but yeah, just got fuck. Just got the lights. I'm heading home right now. Getting back to this freeway, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a smooth ride. Anyway, heading back home. See you later, guys. Okay, so fuck the hell. Currently at Doncaster right now, and temperature has gone 37 degrees in my car. And it's really hot. I'll be meeting Laura at Ringwood right in a few, and we're gonna head out to Edrilling's place because we're gonna set up the studio. Excited. It's been a while I've done studio, but yeah, that's it. So we tried to buy some lechon belly, and what's wrong with this? We tried to buy a lechon belly, but it's closed. It's Monday, so we're not getting it now. Yeah. Seeing donuts up here. Donuts. So yesterday I didn't finish the vlog because I got tired. It's kind of windy today. You might hear it, but yeah, yesterday I didn't finish the vlog because the thing is, I was disappointed. We went to the studio and set up the studio, and after that we planned to go to Gembrook to get some good pizza, because if you go to Gembrook, this is not a paid advertisement, but when you go over to Gembrook and you go to this station pizza place, yeah, it's very good. They also have ranch in case you want to put ranch on your pizza, so that's nice. But after that we decided to go get some lechon belly, just to get some not so good food. But the thing is, when we arrived there, it was closed. We changed the plan. We went to forgot the name, the ube place, the taro place near Wargo Road. But yeah, we went there and there was no dessert. We just have one ube cake, but it was not what we wanted. So I stopped filming, and yeah, that's it. Today's gonna be 37 degrees, and we'll make another vlog for that. So I'm gonna end this video here. I just woke up, I just look like shit. I have a lot of things to do, so see you in the next video.